Back. Of course, it's Human Face Humanity First, uplifting all souls across the board. So, ladies and gentlemen, family members, we are here today again with another brand new video. So, our video for today is 12 sure ways on how to recover from narcissistic abuse. 12 sure ways on how to recover from narcissistic abuse. Recovering from narcissistic abuse is a challenging process, but it is crucial for healing and rebuilding a healthy life. Here are some steps to consider. 1. Acknowledge and acceptance. Recognize and accept that you have been a victim of narcissistic abuse. Understand that it's not your fault and you deserve to heal. 2. Educate yourself. Learn about narcissistic personality disorder and the tactics they use. Understanding the dynamics of the abuse can empower you to break free from its effect. 3. Establish boundaries. Set clear and firm boundaries to protect yourself emotionally and physically. Limit or cut off contact with the narcissist if possible. 4. Seek support. Reach out to friends, family, or support groups. Share your experiences and feelings with those you trust. Professional therapists specializing in trauma can provide valuable guidance. 5. Self-care. Prioritize self-care to nurture your physical and mental well-being. Focus on activities that bring you joy, relaxation, and a sense of purpose. 6. Therapy. Consider therapy, preferably with a mental health professional. Experience in trauma and narcissistic abuse. Therapy can provide a safe space to process your emotion and develop coping strategies. 7. Journaling. Write about your experiences and feelings. Journaling can be a therapeutic way to express yourself and get clarity on your emotions. 8. Rebuild confidence. Narcissistic abuse often erodes self-esteem. Work on rebuilding your confidence by celebrating small achievements and recognizing your strengths. 9. No contact or limit contact. If possible, minimize or cut off contact with the narcissist. This helps in breaking the cycle of abuse and gives you the space needed for healing. 10. Educate others. Share your experiences responsibly to raise awareness about narcissistic abuse. This not only contributes to reducing stigma but can also help others going through similar situations. 11. Legal and financial protection. If necessary, seek legal advice to protect yourself legally and financially. Narcissistic abusers may try to manipulate situations to their advantage. 12. Forgive yourself. Understanding that healing is a gradual process, forgive yourself for any perceived mistakes or vulnerabilities. It's not about blaming yourself, it's about moving forward. Remember, recovery is a unique journey for each individual. Be patient with yourself and seek professional help if needed. You deserve to live a life free from an impact of narcissistic abuse. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, family members, once more again, this is Human Face Humanity First, uplifting all souls across the board. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I love you all. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.